environmental impact of agriculture and food production. Although agriculture is essential for food security and economic development, it is also causes negative impact on the environment. This impact depends on the farming practice used, such as the application of fertilizer, pesticide, and livestock farming. The relationship between agriculture and environmental pollution is not always direct, as it is also influenced by factors like climate, temperature, and rainfall. There are two main types of environmental impact assessment. First, it is means-based assessment, which is focused on farming practice such as fertilizer and pesticide use. Second, it is effect-based assessment, which examines actual outcomes such as water pollution, carbon dioxide emission, and soil nitrogen levels. Measuring the true environmental impact of agriculture is difficult because long-term effect and economic costs are hard to quantify. Studies often focus more on physical damage like soil erosion rather than broader economic impact. In addition, the importance of different impact can change over time, and environmental damage occurring outside farms may be greater than damage occurring on the farm themselves.
Soil hold the majority of the world biodiversity, and healthy soil play a vital role in food production, agriculture, and water supply. Without good soil quality, crops cannot grow properly, and agricultural activity become less productive. Soil degradation refers to the decline in soil quality, and it can be caused by many factors, especially agricultural activities. One major form of soil degradation is soil erosion. Soil erosion happens when the topsoil is washed away by wind, water, or farming activities. Topsoil is very important because it contains high level of nutrients needed for plant growth. This makes me aware that sustainable agricultural practices are important to protect soil quality, prevent erosion, and ensure long-term agricultural productivity.
Everyone, today I'm reflecting on the environmental footprint of agriculture industry. My research showed that food production is massive driver of climate change, accounting for approximately 25% to 26% of global greenhouse gas emission. A huge part of these come from livestock. Ruminants like cattle produce methane through enteric fermentation during digestion. Additionally, land use is responsible for 24% of food emission. When we convert forests, which act as a carbon sink, into pasture, we release stored carbon dioxide back to the atmosphere, intensifying global warming. This project shifts my perspective on food miles. I've learned that transport only account for 6% of food carbon footprint, meaning how we produce food matter more than how far it travels. As a future practitioner, this is personally meaningful because agriculture turned 85% of species on the IUCN Red List. I feel responsibility to lead the shift toward low carbon alternative. We must balance production with the health of our planet. Thank you.
Plastic mulching is used to control soil's nutrients and moisture, but it increases runoff that carries chemicals into water bodies, harming marine life. It also creates a large amount of plastic waste that is difficult to recycle, and biodegradable plastic still take a long time to decompose. I would like to learn more about alternative methods that are safer for the environment. This is because current farming practices create waste that is difficult to manage and can affect water ecosystem. Exploring better this solution may help reduce long-term environmental damage.
As presenter today, I will discuss about deforestation. Deforestation is the large-scale cleaning of forests that causes biodiversity loss, environmental damage, and contribute to climate change. Today, I will discuss about two questions. What did your personality learn about sustainable in agro industry? For me, sustainable helps prevent deforestation and protect the environmental. Second question, how did your perspective of thinking shift during this project? I realized to unsustainable agriculture harms forests, so sustainable practice are necessary for the future. That's all for me. Thank you. In conclusion, education play a vital role in reducing the environmental impact of agriculture by raising awareness, promoting sustainable practice, and helping to protect the environment for a sustainable future. That's all for me. Thank you.